Hi, so in this video I'm going to share with you exactly step by step the framework that you can use to start having your first 100, 500 or even $1,000 a day with Google Ads. So what is really important to remember about Google Ads is this, and please pay attention really closely, because if you get this, only this out of this video, you're going to be further away much more than the rest of the affiliates. And this is the intent, right? Everyone is thinking that the best word in advertising is free, which in many cases is true because people like free stuff. But the most powerful word is intent, right? You have to know that people on Google search especially, right, are looking for their solutions to the problems that they have. So as you can see here on my screen, it's all about generating and getting results. As you can see over here, I had 21,000 impressions on this ad on Google search campaign, and you can see over 458 clicks. Average cost per click was $4, and cost for that was $1,880, right? So imagine this: you're promoting a ClickBank product or MaxWeb product or any other high ticket offer or low ticket or mid ticket, doesn't matter, right? You're just promoting a product as an affiliate, doing affiliate marketing, right? So you have to remember that there are different ways to go and approach Google search ads, right? And I will show you one of the best ways to find your keywords, right, and find your targeted audience in this video. So let me give you an example. This is just one simple example of Google ad, right? This is for organic dog food, right? So you could be using, as you can see here in the, I won't say headline, but in the first sentence over here, organic dog food, right? It's really good thing. Why? Because you are using in the first sentence the keyword, right? Organic dog food, organic free range chicken, for example, right? You can use in the first sentence as many keywords as possible. You can insert them, right? Embed them, so you have those keywords. And at the end, of course, you can have extensions, right? Add different extensions, right? If you have a product where it's a discount, you can add extra 50% bonus or discount, or you can add, for example, allocation even. There are so many different options, and I'm teaching that, I'm showing that to my students every single day when we are setting up these Google search campaigns, right? So let me go and share with you exactly right now how to set up and how to find the best keywords. What tool I am using, as you can see here, SEMrush.com. So how to use it, let me show you. Let's say you're looking for the keyword for the intent. Again, what is intent? Intent is the thing that people are looking for. What is the behind story, right? They're looking for, I don't know, the keyword is back pain, but the intent is how to solve back pain, right? So for example, back pain, you click search, and then you can see volume is really huge, 90,000 in US alone per day. Global volume is 302,000 per day. So it means that 300,000 people every single day go on Google search and type in how to solve back pain. Do you think that you as an affiliate with your affiliate landing page or affiliate website have the opportunity to make some money? Of course the answer is yes, right? If you're watching this video, because I guess that you can understand that people are looking for real solutions to their problems, so you can take legal advantage, right? Positive advantage of this and leverage online marketing. As you can see here, you even have keyword variations, right? Different keywords you can target, right? I don't understand why many people are not doing this. You have lower back pain, low back pain, upper back pain. Then you have how to relieve lower back pain, how to sleep with lower back pain. Those are all problems that people are having. So the first thing they do is take their phone, right, and go on Google search and type in how to get rid of something, the problem that they have, right? How to sleep better with asthma or anything like that, right? So if you have the good quality offer, then you can set it up, right, as an affiliate website, and you can promote them with the right traffic. So you have to understand the right traffic, how to get traffic, and how to, let's say, position your product and put it in front of the flow. Let's imagine this is the river, right? The river is flowing down, right? The stream is going down very hard, so strong. So if you position your product in this river in between, right, it will go with the flow. It will go with the flow, right? But if you try to climb against the flow, against the current, of course it's going to be much more harder. And this is what I see most people, even maybe you, are doing when you are doing this, let's say, the mistake that you don't know about yet, right? So you have to position yourself correctly. You have to structure your website correctly. So if you're watching this video and if you want to know exactly how to get done for you and done with you Google search ad campaigns, right, then let me know. Below this video are going to be links where you can connect with me on social media. You can DM me or you can send me an email and ask more questions, and we can work together. You can get done for your campaign, done with you ad campaign setup, right? So we set it up together, the real ad, Google Ads search campaigns, and then we can go from there. So again, if you're watching this video, do let me know, and I hope you got some value out of here. And before you leave, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips like this one.